Hello everybody and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to find out if we can check the incognito history in Chrome or not. So without any delay, let's just dive right into the video and get started. So for that, let's open up Chrome. And this is our normal one. And if we want to switch to incognito, we can look out for the three dot and select the option of new incognito window. That should open up the incognito window usually. So the thing is, you cannot directly check incognito history in Chrome because incognito mode is designed to not save browsing history at all once you close the window. But what we can do is we can just go over and try out this workaround. Click on the three dot and look out for the incognito window. And here, press Ctrl plus Tab Windows or swipe tabs on your mobile and see if that opens up the tabs that you opened up earlier. That is one of the methods. And Chrome will not show history, but you might still find traces. So you can go to your home Wi-Fi and look out for the router visited sites and look out for the admin page. There you should be finding usually the history. That is one of the methods available. Or you can look out for your Google activity. So just go over and search for myactivity.google.com and hit enter. When you do, you can just go and check the web and the application activity and search history, and incognito usually won't show much here unless you sign into Google inside the incognito. And that's it. You can also just go over and open up a command prompt. Just go over and type in Windows R and type in CMD. Hit enter, and once you open it up, you just go and type in ipconfig / display DNS and hit enter. And there you can just go over and they should probably show you recently visited domains, but it basically resets when your device restarts or it's not fully history. And that's it. Usually these are the methods you can follow for now. So we hope this video was helpful. Give this video a like and subscribe for more.